Hello, today you're looking at a Diamond Products concrete saw brought to you by Lanco. Overall dimensions 60 inches long by 40 inches wide by 72 inches high. Does have a direct drive 7.5 horsepower motor there. Very nice conditioned unit. Weighs roughly 600 pounds. And to start it, what you do is come over here, hit the pump start. We don't have any water set up in it, so we're not going to run that, but it does run. And you'd run the saw start next, and here we go. Very nice unit. If you're interested, please contact Lanco at 888-248-8500 or visit us online at www.lanco-corp.com. Have a great day.